Your biggest money-making opportunity is going to be focusing on that tutorial channel as a YouTuber and doing affiliate deals along with that tutorial channel. So what do I mean by that? Signing up for things like Amazon Associates is a great start for that tutorial channel and really for all of your channels. If you want to diversify your revenue, affiliate revenue for somebody like you who's a beast, who's trying to release content everywhere, making affiliate revenue off of Amazon Associates is probably your best route to success really fast. So what do I mean by that? What products are available on Amazon right now? All products. And so when you sign up for Amazon Associates, you basically find any product on Amazon. And once you get approved for Amazon Associates, you get an Associates bar right above Amazon. And any product you're talking about in any of your videos, any products that you're doing a tutorial related to, what you do is during your video, you say, and if you'd like to buy this product, which I'm currently using and I love, there's an Associates link, there's an affiliate link in the description below. Purchase the product using my affiliate link, and I get some kickback when you buy it, and you pay the same price. And Amazon Associates can be a significant revenue driver for you on every single live stream, on all of your tutorial videos, in all of your content. So for example, let's say you're using some kind of grip to play mobile games, or some sort of phone case, or the specific phone you're using. Do some tutorial videos on that grip, that case, that phone, how to do better FPS, whatever it is, and always mention if you're looking to buy this case, this grip, this phone, link in the description below to that product on Amazon. Okay? Another thing that you can do, depending on what other type of content you're doing, you can do tutorials on your webcam that you're using, on your microphone that you're using, on your gunner glasses you're using, on your headphones that you're using, on the mixer that you have, on your monitors that you have, on your streaming rig. Literally any product that you use at all that's available on Amazon, you can link that to people and tell them when they purchase that on Amazon, that is a kickback back to you to support the channel. I feel like that is going to be a consistent revenue stream that you can bake into everything you're doing across all of these channels and significantly increase your revenue and do a nice baseline of revenue for you. Personally, my Amazon affiliate makes me anywhere between $1,500 now to $4,000 per month of me just recommending products, like the various products you see here in my studio that I currently use. I've made videos teaching people how to use them, recommending the ones that I actually like, doing tutorial videos on them, and I make thousands of dollars per month recommending those products. I think that can be a significant, I think that can be a significant revenue driver for you. I would double down and try that right now, because that's something that can cross all platforms, cross all of those channels, cross all of those streams, that you can bake into everything across the board that can generate money for you. Okay? Amazon Associates.